In this hiragana lesson, we're going to take a look at the word kumo, which means cloud. First character is ku, mo. Ku is only one stroke with two movements, and mo is three strokes. One here, and then two horizontal lines. 2, 3. Let me show you how to write kumo in hiragana. Okay, so to write ku, you're going to find the center line on the grid. And you're going to start with the hidari harai just off to the right of that line. And then it's going to come down to the midway point, not too far off because you don't want that to be too open, but just right where that line starts here in the midway point. And then it's going to come down back to the center line, but it's going to pass the center line, and then it's going to finish right around this corner over here, not exactly down in the midway point. So it basically crosses the midway point, okay? So start with a hidari harai, tip of the brush goes down, go down midway point, and turn, and close. Okay, that's ku. Mo, first vertical line starts in the midway, okay, down in the center line. Then it gets off the center line to make a circular shape into the hane. So tip of the brush goes down, follows the center line, out of the center line, circular, and hane. And then here it connects to one vertical line and connects to the second vertical line and close. Okay, so let's take a look in detail what's happening over here. So there's the center line, okay, called shushin, center line. And this is from the grid, okay? So the hidari harai, and this is the midway point here, the midway point here. Okay, so we know that this line is the midway point. Okay, so the hidari harai starts right next to it. Okay, right, just a little bit off to the right. Tip of the brush goes down, and then it comes crossing through to the midway point. Just if this is where the cross, the first quadrant is, right? We have 1 quadrant, 2 quadrant, 3 quadrant, 4 quadrant, okay? If you get to the middle point here, it's going to be too far. So it's going to look too open. So see how much space is in here, okay? This is not very big, okay? So right here at the, right when the line is here, that's where you stop. Then turn and come back down, crossing the midway point again, and then stopping right before you touch the bottom line, okay? And that's only one stroke. One coming down here, turning, two going down here. The second character, mo, here's the shushin, center line, okay? Stroke number 1 follows that center line, then gets out of the center line to start making a round, okay, circular. Okay, we have a circle here. And then here, prepare for the hane, okay? And then the hane keeps going, keeps it connected to the first horizontal line. This horizontal line comes across, barely as it passes through, down again, okay? Don't let it pass too much, okay? It just barely passes. Keep it connected, okay? Here it can get really thin or it can disappear, that's fine. And then pick it up again here and do another short horizontal line for stroke number 3. And notice how this line is longer than this line. So 1, 2. That's how you write kumo.